Hello and welcome back to SMJ-Tech channel everyone. And today we'll be resuming our tutorial about Word, and I'll be guiding you through an interesting feature in MS Word, which is how to add a page in Microsoft Word. So let's say you have created a document and you're almost in the final stages and you remember that your document is missing a section that needs to be added somewhere in between. So for example, I have this page, which is this document, which contains of a title page and one page. So I have a two-page document and I want to, let's say, add another page between the title page and the first page. So how will I do it? One way people usually follow is to, keep entering until everything moves on to the next page. That's also an option, but there's a better way of doing it. So let me show you how you can do that. So I'll head over to the Insert tab, and on the very left side I have an option on the second number which says blank page. So over here, as soon as I click, wherever my cursor is residing at this moment, a blank page will be inserted in the document there, then and there. So you can see it over here. After the title page, I can now see a blank page, and the first page of my document has become the third page. So it has automatically inserted a blank page upon my instruction, and now you can add whatever you want on this page, and your document will the remaining part of your document will remain unchanged. So this is a better way of doing it. So in case you are interested in this video, please click the like button and do keep subscribed to the channel, and you will learn new tips and tricks related to Microsoft products. Until our next video, please take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.